When do you need to replace the battery? Replace the battery when your hearing aid starts emitting a continuous or when the hearing aid does not work after the battery is installed. You will need to remove the old battery and replace it with a new one. Remove the sticker from the new battery and wait about 3 to 5 minutes before inserting the new battery. Start by opening the battery door gently and remove the old battery. You may also utilize the magnet on the cleaning tool to easily remove the battery. Place the new battery in the battery door and close it. The battery replacement is complete. Thanks for watching.